Derek Heffley at Sanitec. We are at 15042 Oakmount Loop, doing a sewer inspection after completion of the sanitary sewer repair. Okay, I've reached flow line here, and we're going to continue with sanitary sewer inspection here. Right here we got clay pipe here, makes a bend. Here's our connection at the repair. We had two major root intrusions on this line. There's a connection at the end there. This is the second point of repair here. There's connection at the main, the Y there. The 6-inch concrete. Okay, that'll conclude our video. The line was repaired per request. There was 2 points of failures in the line that was repaired. If you have any questions, give Eric Sanitec a call, 503-803-1207. Thank you.